Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Henan Lima Feed Machinery Manufacturer. Today I'm going to introduce our poultry feed pellet machine. As you can see, these are some stock. We are going to send this poultry feed pellet machine to Zambia. And these are the pellet machine for making the chicken feed, cow feed, and also sheep feed, something like the livestock feed. They are different capacity, and also we have the electric motor and also have the diesel engine. And these are the small capacity. These are the capacity of the 700 to 800 kg power. These are for the electric motors, and this one is for the diesel engine type. You can see it's for diesel engine type. And these